In this video, we're going to look at a very common issue that users face when using iMovie. Now you may see this question mark on some of your iMovie projects, and the reason that we see this is because the media inside that project cannot be found within the iMovie library. In this video, we're going to discuss how this happens and how you can fix it on your iMovie. So let's open up our project and have a look inside, and you'll see that all the audio files are completely red. The video clips have a question mark over them. And if I try to play the video, we won't hear any sound at all, even though I have got audio on this video. So in my case, what has happened here is that I have actually got this project backed up on an external hard drive. So in a previous video, I showed how to back up a copy of your project to an external hard drive. And what that does is when you use the Move to Library option in iMovie, it will actually copy all of the media files across to that new library. And then later, if you want to restore that project and work on it again, it will simply copy across the references to those original files. It won't copy across the files for us automatically. So in order to fix this, the simple way to get this working again quickly is to simply plug in the hard drive that you have stored the project onto. And as you can see, when I do that, I've got all of these video clips and all these audio clips back again, and I can watch this content. But we want a more long-term solution to fix this problem, and that's what we'll look at now. So on the top left of our screen, we can see the project name, and if we right click on that, we can get this option to consolidate project media. I'm going to click on that, and you will see that it's telling us that it's going to copy all of the files into the library. So what this means is that it will copy all of the video files and the audio files and all of the assets that are part of this project and copy them into our local iMovie library. So once we click OK, we can see the progress on the top right of our screen. So after a few moments, this should complete. And now if we go back out to our project section, so now I'm just going to disconnect my external hard drive just to test out if this is working. So I'll disconnect the hard drive and then I will open up the project again. So the hard disk has been removed. And once I open up the project now, we can actually see all of the clips this time around. So we've got the video, the audio, and everything else in there. So what we need to understand here is that the files for a particular project are stored in one library at any given time. So when we create a project on our local computer, we are storing all of the files there within that project. But once we move it to a different location, so we move it off to a hard drive or to a cloud storage, then all of the media attached to it gets moved to that location as well. And later, if we want to just copy that project back onto our local computer, we're actually just getting a reference to all those audio files and video files. So that's why it copies so quickly. But if you want to have all those files back on your computer again, then we have to use this Consolidate Project Media option. So just something to be aware of when you are creating projects on iMovie. And there is another way in which you can do the same thing. If you just click on the video tile and go up to File, Consolidate Project Media. So that is if you're in the project section already. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. And if it has, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for more content. And I will see you all in the next one.